Hello, I have finished the designs and this is my update. They turned out pretty good. Not all as perfect as I would like them to. One of them I had to kind of patch it up a little bit, but it still looks good and nobody will probably notice it unless they're looking really hard. But this is the first one and you can see there where I kind of had to patch it up, but everything else looks pretty good because I cut a piece too short. Had to patch this one up, but it looks good. I like it. I'm happy with the first turnout. Now this one turned out really well. This belt turned out really well. I put chain links all around the hem, front and back. The belt goes all around the back. There's chain links around the neckline, front and back. This one is kind of cute. It'll look good once I accessorize it. I just put buttons all over it, different sizes, light blue and white. Just something different because I like to be different. I'll wear anything and accessorize it, and at least I think it be looking good. And this last one is very simple, but I like it. I just simply added a B on the shirt and a B on the pant leg on the same side. So overall, I think this turned out really well. I'm really pleased with the results, how it feel. The vinyl is pretty good because if you mess up, you really can't even correct it. Can't peel it off or take it off. It's on so well.